Hey everyone, welcome back to Fresh Library. In this video, we will learn a very important concept, that is functions and return values in Pytest. Functions and return values in Pytest. Right here. Return values in Pytest. So here, this concept is heavily used in real-time automation frameworks. In real-time automation projects, we should avoid repeating the same logic multiple times. We can write for logic one time and we can use the same logic for multiple times. That's why functions are very important. So, how the functions are helpful in automation is it will helpful in uh, for reusing the logics and improving the readability, and for also write a clear automation code, for writing the clearer automation code. And here we are going to use return as well. Using return, we send the result back for validation. We send the result back for validation as well. How we are going to use the functions and the return values? Let me go to the code. So here, first of all, we are going to define a function give add underscore numbers. Okay. So see here, we are going to define a function that is add underscore numbers. Here we are giving the inputs through a comma b. Next, we are going to return a plus b. Next, give taking one extra space. Again, I'm going to define a function that is just addition. Just underscore addition. Next, result. Result equal to add underscore numbers 2 comma 3. I will explain the code again after writing the complete code. Okay. So next, here we are going to use asset. Asset is to validate the test case. Okay. So here we are going to validate result equal to 5. Okay. This is the code we are written. So here the function performs the calculation and return the result. Okay. This is the function. It will performs the calculation and it will return the result. Okay. Next, the test case receives the result and validates it using the adjacent. How it is going to validate the result is by using the adjacent. Adjacents are used to validate the result. Okay. So here simply we are defining a function that is add numbers, and here we are going to give the input through a comma b, and later we are going to return a plus b values, and next we are going to validate that addition. This is the function we are, this is the code we are going to validate here. Okay. So here instead of a comma b, we are giving 2 comma 3. So as a result equal to 5. Okay, equal to 5. If 2 plus 3 equal to 5, then the test case will pass. Otherwise, it will fail. Now, let's see how it is going to, whether it is going to pass or fail. So, code is saved in here in this folder. From here, I'm going to, oh, 1 second. I want to save this one. So, here, okay. Now, Pytest. Let me write. Okay. So now test case is passed. Test underscore sample.py is passed because 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Otherwise, it will fail. Will fail. Okay. So, how it is helpful in real-time automation is in real-time automation frameworks, functions are used everywhere. Functions can be used everywhere. For example, login functions, browser launch methods, reusable UI actions. Okay, wherever. Most of the cases, it will functions will be helpful. And why we are using functions is instead of repeating the code, automation engineers create reusable functions. Automation engineers create reusable functions. Later, this same idea becomes the foundation of the page object model frameworks. So we are having the POM. We are going to cover the POM as well. POM in the sense page object model in our series. So it will become a foundation for page object model as well. Let's write the running notes for this one. So for our running notes. See here, first of point we need to mention here is functions are used to reuse logic. Functions are used to reuse logic. Next, syntax. Next, define function. Function name where you can, or else we try copy the code instead of writing everything again. Whatever I have explained you on the same notes I'm going to provide here. Okay. So here return. What the return will do here? Return since result back to the caller. Caller. Result back to caller. Next. What is the usage of this one is avoids code repetition. Next. Improves readability. Improves readability. Next, where we are going to use in this in real time is login functions. Next week, browser launch functions. Next thing, reusable automation methods. Reusable automation methods. And the important note here we are going to have to remember is test case validates. Test case validates return value. Return value using asset. Okay. Test case validates returned value using asset. Okay. This is about functions and return values in Pytest. So functions and return value are very important for building reusable automation frameworks. Functions and return values are very important for building reusable automation frameworks. In the next week class, we will improve this further using multiple inputs and better function usage. Multiple inputs and better function usage. Subscribe and continue learning step by step. Thanks for watching. See you in next class. See you in